Good morning, everybody. It is April 20, I always forget what day it is, 27th. Every day's the same to me. 2022, and this is my pre-market analysis of US30. So, um, following up from yesterday, as we see here, if I can get my mouse. Okay, all right, there we go. So following up from yesterday, yesterday's drop, this is on the H1, or excuse me, it's on the M30. Let me zoom out a little bit to the H1. So um, I drew my fib from the very top. Draw it out again here. Drew my fib from the very top point that it reached yesterday pre NY session, and now bringing it back to here. And the reason why I drew a new fib is because it hit what really didn't hit, but it was right at the line of the 38.2. So this was what we were looking at yesterday, where it pulled back to, and I didn't get into the trade because if you watch those previous videos, I dropped that video around this time here. So I was anticipating for price to bounce off this little level here and pull back to about here, roughly give or take, and then try to get in on an entry riding all the way down. That never happened, so I didn't get into the trade, but it did continue to drop down. So, this 38.2 level, though, reason why I'm going over that again, it appears that was respected. It didn't, have a clean touch, and it didn't have, there was other things I was looking for. I was looking for it to hit that level. I was also looking for it to come up to this weekly support and resistance level that I had previously drawn out as well. That didn't occur, but for that reason, since it got close to 38.2, I'm going to just go ahead and reset my fibs. And so that's where I have now this drawn out to here. And with that, we see that we're at the 38.2 again. That's also showing confluence with the daily support and resistance level of approximately 33,575 roughly. Um, Also a good sign as well. And now it's also approaching the MA 66 now on the H1, which is also a good, showing that it might be lining up to have a reversal. We zoom in closer onto the lower time frames, M30, we see the price more than anything on top of all those different reasons I just laid out. Price is showing signs of exhaustion here, that the push up, the counter trend back up is starting to show exhaustion, because overall we are still definitely in a downtrend, and we go down deeper. M15, M5, you see here we're running out of gas as far as I'm concerned. We're here, we're running out of gas. This is this is the 50, I think. So a little bit past 38.2, but still also got this daily support and resistance line. On the M5, it's kind of just floating sideways right now. It's not really making higher highs and higher lows anymore. This was a higher high, a higher low. Now it's making a high. If it breaks below this low and keeps pushing down, then I would say it's definitely game on for the continuation downwards. And as we see here, it looks like almost somewhat of a double top formation forming, possibly on the M15. So if it drops back down, then we're definitely good to go. So, but definitely it's still a downtrend, a bearish push right now at the moment. Um, Weekly, still this obviously still going to be bearish overall, but the weekly candle is still showing. Basically it's kind of in the middle, in the sense that it started the week pushed up, and now it's pushed back down, and now it's pushed back up again. So overall, still looking for bearish moves. On the daily candle, we're looking bullish, but that might push back down by the end of the day, which looks like it very well might do, which is what I'm anticipating. So I'm looking for bearish moves. I'm gonna probably get in around here. In all honesty, wait a couple more minutes here, see how the M15 closes, see how the M30, this M15 closes now the next minute or so. I'm probably gonna get in right now, in all honesty. So with that, the move will be approximately like this. All right, 3, 6, something like that, I should say. And I'm going to be targeting this 100-point stop. So well above structure here. And that's what I'll be trying to do. That'll be my TP1, TP2, and TP3. So, all right, guys. Well, I'll make another video post market today. Good luck trading today.